Imagine you're a budding entrepreneur, ready to launch your online store on Shopify. You've got the perfect products in mind, a stunning website design, and a solid marketing strategy. But there's one crucial piece of the puzzle missing: a reliable dropshipping app to source and fulfill your orders. That's where Oberlo used to come in. For years, it was the go-to app for Shopify merchants looking to dropship products from AliExpress. But with recent changes and limitations, many sellers are searching for alternatives. So, what can you use instead of Oberlo on Shopify? Let's dive into some of the top contenders. Alternative 1. Spocket. Spocket is a popular alternative to Oberlo, offering a similar dropshipping experience with a few key advantages. Here are some of the reasons why Spocket is a great choice. Premium products. Spocket provides access to a curated collection of high-quality products from suppliers in the US, Europe, and Asia. Fast shipping. Many of Spocket's suppliers offer faster shipping times than AliExpress, which can improve customer satisfaction. Profit margins. Spocket often offers higher profit margins compared to Oberlo, allowing you to earn more on each sale. Branding options. Spocket provides branding tools to help you customize your products and create a unique brand identity. Alternative 2. Ali Dropship. Ali Dropship is another powerful option for Shopify merchants looking to dropship from AliExpress. Here's what sets Ali Dropship apart. Custom Store Builder. Ali Dropship offers a plugin that allows you to create a fully customized online store based on AliExpress products. Automation tools. Ali Dropship provides automation features to streamline your dropshipping process, including automatic order fulfillment and tracking. Plugin integration. Ali Dropship integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to set up and use. Dedicated support. Ali Dropship offers dedicated support to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Alternative 3. Dropify. Dropify is a versatile dropshipping app that works with multiple e-commerce platforms, including Shopify. Here's what makes Dropify a compelling choice. Multiple sourcing options. Dropify allows you to source products from AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, and other suppliers. Advanced automation. Dropify offers a wide range of automation features, including automatic order fulfillment, tracking, and inventory updates. Product research tools. Dropify provides tools to help you find profitable products and analyze market trends. Integrations. Dropify integrates with various apps and services, such as email marketing platforms and social media tools. Alternative 4. Printful. If you're looking to dropship custom printed products, Printful is an excellent option. Here's why Printful stands out. Custom products. Printful offers a wide range of customizable products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. High-quality printing. Printful uses high-quality printing techniques to ensure your products look great. Global fulfillment. Printful has fulfillment centers worldwide, allowing for fast shipping to customers around the globe. Mockup generator. Printful provides a mockup generator to help you visualize your designs before ordering. Additional considerations. When choosing a dropshipping app, it's important to consider factors such as pricing, customer support, and user interface. You may also want to test out a few different apps to see which one best suits your needs. Here are some additional tips for choosing a dropshipping app. Read reviews. Check online reviews to see what other users think of the app. Try a free trial. Many dropshipping apps offer free trials, so you can test them out before committing. Consider your business goals. Think about your long-term business goals and choose an app that can support your growth. The best dropshipping app for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. By carefully considering the options available, you can find an app that helps you streamline your dropshipping process and grow your online business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.